Hi, Steve Mullins here with the Health and Safety Channel, and this video is about just a few serious, quick facts about some mold and a couple of conditions that are serious or can be. For example, eczema is triggered or can be triggered by mold. Did you know that? It's also been shown to be a trigger for atopic dermatitis and related inflammation. Now, a lot of this sounds like fancy doctor speak, and it is. It's coming from a reference article that I ran across not long ago. So mold is a common eczema trigger, which back, a generation ago, we didn't know that. The top three candidates for those that cause atopic dermatitis are Cladosporium, Aspergillus, and Penicillium. Now, did you know that 42% of children under 4 had allergic reactions to the Cladosporium candidate mold? Shows you how many people are affected by it. That's a lot of a lot of affected kids for that one particular mold type. Did you know that there's a very serious lung condition called aspergillosis, which of course is caused by too much exposure to the mold type Aspergillus? And it can be potentially fatal to those who are immunocompromised. So it's not good. Now, those who have eczema and they're in that mold trigger somewhere in their house, if they don't remove that trigger that's causing it to go off, it can become worse with oozing and cracking. Sounds really nice, doesn't it? Now, you can suspect mold as a trigger if you eliminated the other potential causes, such as pet dander dust, and your symptoms improve after you are away from your home for several days. That's interesting. Few quick but serious facts about some mold and a couple of conditions related to that. Stay safe. Talk to you next time.